If you want to see exactly how to generate $30,000 per month from YouTube automation, then you came to the right video. I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to generate this, and then I'm going to dive into 5 different high CPM niches that will pay you the most amount of money for your views. Now, you don't have to film any of the videos yourself, this is completely automated. Now, I'm going to show you 5 different channel examples and how much each one of these YouTube automation channels are making from their channel. So, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Hey, we're doing a cash giveaway on our channel. We're giving away up to $50 to 10 people. The choice is yours. Watch the full video, like and share the video, and click the giveaway link in the description below to join this giveaway. Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 high CPM niches to get started with in 2023 and beyond. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and turn on the notification bell so that, whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. So, let's go ahead and jump right into it. The very first channel here is called Magnates Media. Now, Magnates Media does videos and story-type videos on businesses. This is in the business finance niche, which is one of the highest CPM niches, or cost per mil, how much you make per 1,000 views. These types of videos are making upwards of $30 to $35 per 1,000 views. Now, I can verify this because I have a channel in this particular niche, and we have over 600 clients, some of them in this particular niche. So, we know that these story-type videos about different businesses and how they went bankrupt or how they're thriving are doing very, very well. Again, as you can see, this channel, the secret Chinese company that owns everything, the disturbing history of Coca-Cola, they're getting millions upon millions of views. The reason why these videos do so well is look how long these videos are. 1 hour, 18 minutes, 33 minutes, 15 minutes. These are documentary type videos, and they're very, very easy to make fully automated without filming, editing, or showing your face. If we go over to socialblade.com, we can see that it estimates they're making about $11,000 per month. We know this is absolutely wrong because if you hover over the little question mark right here, it says default estimated CPM range for Social Blade is 25 cents to $4. Now, we know that this channel is making upwards of $30 per 1,000 views. So, we could safely multiply this number by 6 or 7, and that's going to give us a realistic estimate of what they're actually making. So, close to $180,000 per month. Yes, I said that. $180,000 per month or $1.8 million per year. I know that may seem like a lot, but the highest paid YouTuber, Mr. Beast, made $58 million last year. So, this is really not that much money in comparison to someone in a low CPM niche who's making 20 to 30 times more. Let's go ahead and move on to the second channel, which is very, very similar. This will give you another channel example to work off of if you decide to go into the business storytelling niche. This one's called Megalo Media. Now, if you look back, this channel actually showed their face. The owner showed their face for a while but then transitioned over to YouTube automation because it's more profitable and much easier to do. You don't have to show your face or tie it to a brand. That's what I love about YouTube automation. It's not tied to my face. My 7 channels are not tied to my personal brand, so I can make money no matter what. This channel again is doing different types of videos but still about business, usually about individuals. So, the most dangerous investor in the world, Carl Icahn, the investor who rules the world, George Soros, the Andrew Tate of Silicon Valley. So, he's focusing on specific individuals, not companies. This is a good twist to add on to the business storytelling niche. Now, if we take a look at Social Blade, it says they're making about $5.8 thousand a month, and again, we could multiply this by 6 or 7. That's going to give us a more realistic estimate of what they're making. So, anywhere from let's just say $24,000 to $30,000 per month or over $300,000 per year in completely passive income. Especially if they have a full team, they have a voiceover editor, scriptwriter doing all of the work for them, like my clients and I do. Now, let's go ahead and move on to the third channel. This is also in the business finance storytelling niche. I wanted to give you more examples to work off of so you know that this works. There's multiple channels in this niche. It's not too saturated, and they're all making a crap ton of money. Now, I will show you 2 more different niches in a moment. But again, let's take a look at this channel. They are doing specific videos like the decline of Fuddruckers, the decline of Carvana, the decline of Bed Bath & Beyond. They are doing basically bankrupt videos, so they're honing in on this sub-niche of bankruptcy and big companies that went bankrupt like Macy's, Wright, Fuddruckers, Bed Bath & Beyond just filed for bankruptcy insurance. These are all companies that are huge, multi-billion dollars that are either eventually going to go bankrupt or already went bankrupt. Very interesting. They have 1.65 million subscribers, and on Social Blade, it says they're making about $12,000 a month, probably closer to $60,000 or $70,000 per month or almost $1 million per year. And I know that may seem like a lot, but this channel was created about 6-7 years ago. So, just imagine if you created a channel like 5-6-7 years ago and now you're earning about $1 million passive per year. Wouldn't that be pretty crazy? That's why I think it's the best time to get started with YouTube automation. Now, let's go ahead and jump into the last two niches. This one right here is called Tesla Tomorrow, and they are doing specifically videos about Tesla stock. So, they're talking about Tesla stock price, Tesla's latest inventions, how investors in Tesla can get rich trading different products, different stocks and options and futures, right? So, this is a very interesting channel, 15.6 thousand subscribers. And if you take a look at Social Blade, it says they're making about 1.5 thousand a month. This channel is in the finance stock investment niche, which is the highest CPM niche. So, they're actually making upwards of 40 CPMs, or $40 per thousand views. So, we could multiply this by 10, and that's probably closer to what they're making. So, about $10,000 a month or $120,000 per year. Now, if we go on to the last channel, this one's called Tesla Car World. It's doing specific videos about Cybertruck updates, Tesla car updates, different models and cars that they're going to be releasing. So, more on the company side and more on the technology side. The CPMs are a little bit lower, maybe 15 to 20 CPMs, but still a very profitable channel. If we take a look at Social Blade, it says they're making 3.9 thousand per month. We could safely multiply that by 4, and that's probably closer to what they're making. So, anywhere from let's say $20,000 per month or 240 Kelvin per year in passive income. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to join our Telegram channel so that you won't miss any new update. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you'll be notified as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.